Okay, so the next portion of these notes that you're going to be working on has to do with seafloor spreading. Now, when you look at the notes, there's only really two things that the notes say about seafloor spreading, that it's where new oceanic crust is created as older crust is pushed away, and then it happens at divergent boundaries. So I've linked another video. It's a Bill Nye video, very short segment of one that talks, and actually it's not a Bill Nye, it's just a clip of him talking about this discovery of seafloor spreading. Watch that video because it will help explain seafloor spreading and help you with the rest of this assignment. The rest of this assignment is you're going to find above this slide 10, slides 8 and 9. Slide 8. It says identify 3 areas where seafloor spreading is occurring. Use your own system for identification. What that means is looking at this map that has all the plate boundaries marked, and if you need to remember what color means what, you can click above, same map, and I put it right here at the bottom. So on this map, I want you to identify where seafloor spreading is occurring, 3 locations of it. You can use, if you look up here, any of the drawing tools. Like if you use line, I had scribble going, and let's say I want to say it happens right here, and I can draw a line. Make it identifiable, so I can go and change the color. You want something kind of bright, something that's not the same color as what is already here, and you want to make the line weight significant enough that I could pick it out. Okay, so you could certainly draw a line over an area. You could take a box, a shape, and box it out. Say you wanted to say this whole area here was seafloor spreading. You would then have to go in and play with your colors like gradient and have to choose something so that I could see, what you're talking about. But I'll let you choose your own method if you want to point arrows at it and identify it with a text box that says seafloor spreading. I need to see 3 areas of seafloor spreading. Then, slide 9, there are 4 questions about seafloor spreading. You need to use the video of Bill Nye and that map of the plate boundaries to answer those 4 questions. Okay, so everyone's going to get a copy of this so that you can do the assignment portions for it. All right.